guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this DIY Duct Tape Panda Squishy. The best part about this squishy is that you don't need memory foam or puffy paint to make it. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. To make this squishy, you'll need a plastic bag, some pillow stuffing, some duct tape, and you'll need two different colors of duct tape. I'm using black and white, but you could use whichever colors that you want. Some scissors, preferably non-stick scissors, and some normal Scotch tape. Start by taking a ball of the pillow stuffing and putting it into the plastic bag. Go ahead and shape the stuffing until it is in the shape that you want. Tape down the extra part of the plastic bag. Cut off the excess plastic bag and tape down any of the loose ends. And then you have the base to your panda head squishy. And not gonna lie, I was already pretty impressed just with this version without any tape. If your panda head isn't the shape that you'd like, go ahead and take some more of that Scotch tape and just tape it over some of the lumpy edges to smooth them out a little bit. And now it's time to make our panda ears, so go ahead and take two equal balls of stuffing and then just do the same exact thing that we did before, put it into the plastic bag and tape down the edge. And this time when you cut off the excess plastic bag, you're going to want to cut off a little bit more than we did for the panda head. And we're not going to tape this to the ear, we're just going to leave it open like this. Repeat this step for the second ear, and then measure it onto your head. And I thought that these ears were a good size, but they were not. They were way too big. So guys, if you make this, definitely try to make the ears smaller, because I had to end up cutting the ears in half later in the video so that they would be a little bit smaller to look nice with the head. Next, cover both ears with some black duct tape. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, but I found it helpful if I put the duct tape on and then cut a few slits so that it would go nicely over the curves. Cover the whole ear in black duct tape except for that little tail that we left at the end. And now that our ears are finished, we're going to go ahead and attach them to the panda's head. So to do this, I took the little tail that's at the end of the ears and then I went ahead and I taped that onto the head with just a little bit of normal Scotch tape. And when you're attaching the ear, go ahead and fan out the plastic that's underneath of it and then tape it on all of the sides of the squishy, and this will just make sure that your ears are extra secure. And now it's time to cover the white part of our panda head. So I started out by cutting out small strips of duct tape and taping them around the ears. And this was just to make the ears even more secure, and also this is the ears are the hardest part to tape around, so might as well do that first. So once both of the ears are attached, it's time to cover the panda head with white duct tape. So pretty much to do this, what I did was I took a strip of duct tape and then I cut it on the edges so that it would go over the curves more nicely. So I taped over the front side first, and for the part where it hits the ears, I cut the duct tape at a diagonal. And so you're just going to want to cover it one side at a time, and once the front side is finished, we can flip it over and do the back. Cover any spots that you missed on the sides of the squishy with some more white duct tape. I made the face by cutting out smaller pieces of duct tape, so I made two black ovals for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and some lines of duct tape for the mouth, and then two white dots for the highlight in the eyes. And now your squishy is done! And as I mentioned earlier, I would definitely make the ears the right size in the beginning, because when I cut the ears in half, they were a little bit less squishy. But the panda's face is still very squishy, and I'm honestly so impressed with this. This was a really fun way to make a squishy without foam or puffy paint, and it was really quick to make too. Comment down below if you guys would like to see me make some more duct tape squishies. I have a few more ideas. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!